everyone!
Welcome to our channel.
Welcome to another video. Today we're going to be trying out some couple products. Some of them are quite cute.
Some of them are quite cringy.
That too. And some I'm very excited to try. Like these are things that I've been seeing on the internet, people doing, and I've wanted to do them. We'll make sure to link everything down below. So having said that, let's get started with today's video. I think we have to start the video with some
Cute couple t-shirts.
matching t-shirts. So we have two sets. Do you want to open yours first?
Okay.
So this set says, hubby, just love her. Oh my god. And then the other one says, wifey, just love him. Okay, with the Nike sign.
What do you have?
I have a Tom and Jerry wala. So this one, oh, it's just Tom. Okay. And then this one's Jerry. Oh, that's cute. That's actually...
I like this one more.
Do you want to wear this one?
Yeah.
Instead of the... Okay, cool. So are you Tom, are you Jerry?
I'm Jerry.
I guess we're doing a transition. So 1, 2, 3. So no transition because clearly Aditya ko wo shirt bahut crop top jaisa hua, right? But I think he deserved to wear this and I deserve to wear that.
Why do I deserve to wear Tom?
That's what I'm saying. You deserve to wear this and I deserve to wear this. I mean, it's cute. I wouldn't wear this out. Maybe at home in PJs, but it's
at home
cute.
it's fine. It's comfortable.
Yeah, it's very comfy.
But I wouldn't go out with this.
Yeah. Okay, let's move on to the next thing. What should we do? I want to do the pillow. So this is from the brand called White Willow.
Oh, White Willow makes pillow. Nice.
You know that?
No.
Why are you saying?
White Willow makes pillow.
What a rhyme. So basically ये वो type के pillows है. I think देखे ही होंगे Instagram में जिसमें you can slide your hand from underneath
Much
the
needed.
pillow. Pillow?
Pillow?
Pillow. Khich?
Meri photo.
I knew he was gonna say that. It looks very soft, huh? But I mean, feels very soft. हाँ कैसे यूज करना है इसको हाँ देख यहाँ पे है थोड़ा सा कर्व ऐसे हाथ डालने के लिए okay I think we have to like try it out. There's no other way of finding out if this works or not, but first thoughts very nice, very soft, एकदम
memory foam type
लग रहा है exactly.
Good night guys.
How is it? Comfy?
Very comfy. Must. Nice invention. भाई मस्त.
तेरा hand squeeze नहीं हो रहा है
बिल्कुल भी नहीं.
Seriously?
Yes.
और मुझे भी ऐसा weird bump नहीं लग रहा है. Comfy है काफी.
This is approved, guys. Definitely purchase.
But it is expensive. This was for 1,700 rupees. I don't know if... Do you think we'll like use this in our day-to-day life?
I don't think every day, but
sometimes.
Yeah. It's comfy.
It is comfy. I will say that. Like the memory foam, the actual quality of the pillow is very nice.
Yeah. चलो मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में. Mridul wants to switch and see.
Even I want to see what it feels like. Oh yeah, the hand just like slips so comfortably. Yeah, this is actually so nice. बहुत comfy है ये. I think it's my favorite product from today's video. The next product that we have is from My Muse. I think a lot of people might have heard about this brand. They make sexual wellness sort of products. Today we've bought these candles. So these are oil-based candles for play. Is what it says. Let's open these up.
Let it drip लिखा है इस पे.
So basically the point of these is that you can use these for like a massage. So they're supposed to smell very nice. So the first, we have like 3 different fragrances, okay? कौन सा तेरे हाथ में? Mango mist. Of course, yeah, you had to pick that one.
Wow.
Oh wow, it smells so good. Okay, so basically it's a candle, right? So you burn this and then it has like a, what is this part called? Like a tapered end, so that when it melts, you can use the hot wax to like massage your body, which I think is very smart. This is also nice, very fresh.
Yeah, fresh.
चल इसको try करते हैं.
On camera.
By the way, the packaging is very cute. हाँ, बहुत ही अच्छा branding है. Okay, let's try these out, and now we just wait. Are you ready? It'll be hot, huh? Is it hot? Oh wow, it's like an oil.
Yeah.
So basically ये बिल्कुल भी wax जैसा नहीं feel हो रहा है. It feels like proper oil. I have seen these kinds of candles out of India, like oil candles wherein they look like candles but then you can use the wax. So I'm really glad that My Muse has brought something like this. and they smell very very nice. By the way, हमने floral fruity वाला fragrance pack choose किया है. They have other fragrances also. There's one which is very like wooden and oud वाला. So definitely check this out.
Not sponsored.
Moving on to something very very PG and very fun actually. This right here, do you know what this is?
I think so. I've seen वो हाथ पकड़ के clay में ये करते
Correct.
हैं.
So this is a
Couple casting kit.
yeah, I'm very excited. You can make like a DIY home decor piece using this. So yeah, let's go make it. So everything comes in this bucket and we're going to be using this bucket to make this mold right here. Other than that, we have the molding powder, the casting powder, and then we have some accessories. So sandpaper to smooth out our mold, the wooden stick if there are air bubbles, and then we have some paint for personalization. And then we have this wooden block on which I feel like you could keep the mold that you're making. So this is something that needs to be done super fast. So हमने instructions तो पढ़ के रखे हैं. सबसे पहले we have to add cold water, 250 ml of cold water, right?
2.5 liters.
2.5 liters, sorry. Ready रहे mix करने के लिए. जल्दी से कर mix करते रहे. Oh, I love the color. कितना pretty है. I think जो अपना final mold बनेगा वो तो white color का ही बनेगा if I'm not wrong. कुछ ज्यादा ही lumps नहीं आए, उन्होंने बोला था lumps नहीं आने चाहिए. मैं थोड़ा सा oil ले रही हूँ मेरे हाथ में. We're supposed to grease our hands. For some reason मुझे feeling है कि ये flop होने वाला है. It's getting hard हाँ आदित्य. हरी up. आदि बहुत कड़क हो गया. ये खत्म है. मेरे से नहीं हो रहा है. कड़क हो गया है. कर जल्दी. थोड़ा पानी डालना है. खत्म 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 हो गया. खत्म हो गया. ये खत्म हो गया. Thankfully we have another backup one, so we can make it. Don't make the same mistake as us. सबसे पहले we're gonna oil our hands और we have to move fast, super fast. I think this is enough, Aditya. I think it's enough.
ठीक है, रुक एक second.
हाथ दे, हाथ दे, हाथ दे, हाथ दे, हाथ दे. How long are we supposed to stay like this?
2 to 3 minutes.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
I'm tired. Oh, wow, it's so satisfying.
जैसा सेट होगा वैसा मुझे लग रहा है बीच में बहुत weird gaps है.
I have no hopes from this, honestly. Like it looks very, very debatable.
Weird. Yeah.
We're not fully done yet. सिर्फ step 1 हुआ है अभी तक. We're doing step 2, which is the final step. So ये casting powder है जिसमें we're gonna add the water. इसका डोसा जैसा बैटर होना चाहिए ना बोला है. बहुत ही messy process है ये पूरा. Stressful procedure है. बिल्कुल भी fun activity नहीं है ये. This doesn't feel right. Like there's something wrong that we're doing, I feel. बहुत सारे झगड़े आर्ग्यूमेंट के बाद आई थिंक वी आर फाइनली डन. कितने टाइम रखना है इसको? 4 to 5 hours, right?
2 to 3 hours.
2 to 3 hours. So we'll see you in some time. I would say overall it's a messy process. It's a little complicated. However, this is what you're left with by the end of. It's pretty cool, I would say. A 7 out of 10 from us. We're gonna end the video with another DIY, last DIY for today. Again, it's a trend that I saw on Pinterest, I saw on YouTube, even Instagram, wherein a couple would hug each other with paint on their hand.
I've seen that.
And it would look like those arms on the tea. So we're gonna try to do that. Okay, so we're already in our Amazon tees. बहुत ही comfy है ना ये tees?
Yeah, बहुत मस्त है.
बहुत अच्छे. I feel like if this t-shirt turns out cute, it's gonna be my like night dress shirt, PJ shirt. Okay, so we have a selection of colors. Make sure that you're using either acrylic या फिर fabric colors.
Yeah.
What color you wanna go for? I thought you would pick orange.
तो
ठीक
मैं
है.
orange ही लिया.
Sorry, I thought you would pick blue. Sorry. I'm gonna go for, of course, can you guess? Pink. I'm actually.
लेना पर.
तो तू पिंक ले फिर.
नहीं.
तो मैं सोच रही हूँ मैं थोड़ा ombre करूँ from purple to pink. You know, don't copy me now.
मेरा सिर्फ orange है. एक orange और एक blue करता हूँ मैं.
No relation, no logic, but okay.
मेरे favorite colors है दोनों.
True, ठीक है. तो तू पूरा एक हाथ पूरा blue और पूरा.
हाँ. और फिर ऐसा.
ठीक है, cool. I think we should do it for each other, right? That would make it more of a couple activity.
Aww.
अभी same ये इधर इतना कर, ठीक है?
ये?
हाँ. So now you have to do shading.
पेपर पे हुआ नहीं तेरे को हाथ पे चाहिए.
करो, blend करो अभी इसको. अगर मेरे हाथ पेंटेड है तो मैं आदित्य का हाथ कैसे पेंट करूँ?
मेरे को मालूम ही था, मेरे को खुद से करना पड़ेगा.
Hey, I can leave this hand so I can paint one of your hands. But then ये dry नहीं हो जाए.
हाँ. तू भी एक काम कर, पहले तू तेरा कर ले पूरा एंड मेरे को हक कर, उसके बाद मेरा पेंटिंग
But we're supposed to hug each other at the same time.
Yeah, that's not gonna happen.
No, but that's the whole point.
अरे तू पॉइंटलेस चल जल्दी अभी, ना तो कुछ भी नहीं बचेगा.
देख कितना pretty है ये shading.
वाओ.
Ready? निकालू? क्यों कुछ भी नहीं हुआ? क्यों कुछ भी नहीं हुआ?
अभी उसको मैच कर.
मैच कैसे करूं मैं अभी?
मुझे नहीं पता. सेकंड वाला भी मैच कर ले हाथ.
I think मैंने गलत डाला है हाथ. आज कुछ भी सीधा नहीं हो रहा है ये वीडियो में. So we've decided. What have we decided? Tell them.
जस्ट ऐसे रब करने का, वो ब्रश वगैरह करने का नहीं, डायरेक्ट रब करने का.
And then hug करने का. Ew.
होली खेले. इसको कहते हैं.
Did it?
Yes.
This is my work versus Aditya's work.
शोल्डर मसाज वाला ये इधर भी डाल दो, ठीक है. बाल ले से थोड़े से. थोड़ा आया.
And with that, we've come towards the end of today's video.
Do let us know if you guys like this video. We can do more parts to this. There are a lot of different couple products that we can try.
Exactly. There are so many weird products out in the market that we would love to try for you guys. We just tried a few of these. As I said earlier as well, everything's going to be linked down below. See you guys in another video.
Subscribe to our channel. Follow Mridul on her Instagram. Follow Mridul and Aditya on Instagram. And we'll see you in our next video. Bye.
Bye.